If you own a canary, soft food is one of the best ways to support their health, energy, and singing quality. Soft food isn't just a treat, it's an essential part of a balanced diet, especially during molting, breeding, or recovery. A high-quality canary soft food should include finely ground seeds, egg protein, vitamins, and moisture-rich ingredients that are easy for your bird to digest. This provides the extra nutrition canaries need to grow strong feathers, maintain bright colors, and stay active. For best results, offer soft food fresh every day in a separate dish. Keep it clean, replace it often, and always pair it with fresh water. When combined with a good seed mix and greens, soft food helps your canary stay healthy, vibrant, and full of song.